What's up, YouTubes, internet peoples? Jason here, MMIP, Mobile Welding. I want to show you guys today what I do for my day job. I don't run my truck full time, not yet at least. That's just for side work. And so we're here, me and my buddy, little buddy Austin, here at the shop today. So we're listening to the Oregon State Civil War game. But I wanted to show you guys kind of what I do, kind of what tools it takes to do equipment repair, and some of the challenges behind it. Had Warsaw had come in last week. Well, I guess it was this week.
Jefferson in the backfield for a yard loss. It'll be second down and 4.
A50. I really like that hood. Anyways, it's Warsaw 624, I believe. Came in, hanging brackets all tore up. I got a couple boards to do, the line board on it, some other cracks in the frame. We worked late on this on Wednesday. Here's our little red sucker truck. Our component rebuild guy actually works right over there underneath that gantry. So this helps him not be grumpy. And then here's the Climax. It's a BB 5000 portable machine setup. But hoping to do more videos on this eventually. Yeah, it's a BB 5000. It turns out pretty sweet bores. I got a couple bars there, and a short big bar here, and that's pretty fun. 4 welders over here, those 3 boxes. Old trusty LN. This thing's seen some shit. But show you guys what I'm working on. This is a yarder boom off a Thunderbird TSY 6140. And somebody rolled it. The whole middle section was tweaked. So we figured it would be cheaper to replace it. And you can see that. Looking pretty sweet now. My little buddy Austin came with me today. This Regal fucking mullet. Thumbs up, dude. Yeah. But, so this is all gonna get fish plated. I'm gonna tie into that fish plate. Probably come back about 4 feet. The rear split, the bottom splices, I'll probably do 6-foot plates on the outside of it. All with 572 grade 50. It's not much more expensive than mild steel, but gives you a lot better properties for this kind of project. And then, so that's pretty much what I do. If you guys follow my Instagram, you see all this stuff. But I got some, one of the cross members I gotta recreate out of fresh steel. And then my lattice tubing, I just cut the old ones out, air arced them out, and recreated them. But so this is my box. That's a shop here. I'm running out of room. And this is the machine I run for welding usually. A little DC 400. And we got R3S down here. We actually have a little switch on it right there. You can switch it that way. After it's running, you can air arc with it. But this is my box right now. It's a Snap-on. It's a KRL 1022, the classic series with the hutch. This is a limited edition box I bought, not realizing that when you want to buy a hutch from Snap-on, they're gonna send it with the black door. $1,000 for a new door that's green. But it's fine. It's always open when I'm working anyway. But just want to show you guys some of the stuff that I use on a daily basis. So I have Temple sticks there. I think I have 300, 350, and 400, and I have a 900. I like to get that 900 just to melt anytime I'm doing cast. It seems to help a lot. Got some Harbor Freight transfer punches I let everybody else use. So I just picked these up actually. Torch drivers. Got these this week, Wednesday, so 2 days ago. But I'm not a mechanic by any means, but I am a fabricator and I work on heavy equipment, so I got a torch head here. It's my own personal stuff. Circle burner I keep hooked up on it. A couple blow guns. Some swivel impact sockets. A bunch of impact sockets. Multimeter in case I need to test stuff. You never know what you're going to do. But got some Torx bits, some Allens, long Allens here. And this whole box actually is a gear wrench set of Allens. Sanding pads. This drawer, wrenches, metric on the right, standard on the left. I got old Black Betty here, my latest expensive tool purchase. The Tech Angle, 1/2 inch flex head. This is the 300 foot-pound version. It was like $20 more than 250, so I figured it'll give me a lot more use. Have an extra 50 foot-pounds. Use that if I'm doing Rotec bolts, like on a set of grapples, or like on that Warsaw. I would take the hanging bracket off to get it in here. Those Rotec bolts have to be torqued down again. Screwdrivers, pliers, hose picks, snap ring pliers. I just got these the other day. They'll be awesome for pulling seals out of stuff. A lot of people always say, hey man, you're just a welder, why you got all these tools? Well, hey, I can be able to take something apart and put it back together if I need to. This is all welding stuff. A lot of this is from back when I was contracting. Got my centering heads here, or my 2-hole pins, centering heads, protractor, a couple TIG torches, TIG finger. Got that from weldmonger.com. Jody. Air tools. Run a lot of snap-on stuff because it's pretty good shit, and the guy shows up at the shop if I need parts. So, still a welding job. I still work a shit ton of hours, just like nobody wants to do. So it's nice to be able to get replacement parts from the guy that shows up at your shop. Some 3/4 drive in here. Clamps, big ass wrenches. A junk drawer. I got another torch. That one's mine too, just in case something goes bad. Old pipe wrenches, long tape measure. This is another junk drawer for paper stuff. Owner's manual for my box, Far West Steel book. Got ratchets. I got a 12-inch Steradile caliper. This one's metric, 6-inch. That one's a regular 6-inch. I had a dial indicator, so I can indicate the bar in on the decent bores. And then some ratchets, some random stuff. More pliers. Clay lenses from Pipe Liner. These are the good glass ones. And then some paperwork on my Sentinel. A Milwaukee drawer and pipe tape. I got more Milwaukee stuff than that, but it won't fit in there. And then this stuff. The DeWalt boxes is parts for my TIG rig. Got some sockets in there, some spares, a little acetone for wiping down the TIG filler, bottle jack. Bottle jack's fabricator's best friend. But up here, the mess that I have going right now, I got silicon bronze, some 309L, and some 70S2 TIG filler. I believe this is 332 7018s. Not opened yet. Got my pancake up there just because it's safer storage for my shade 11 Wins lens than having it in my box. Sawzall. Those come in real handy when you have nylon bearings. So like these Wartaw heads, they'll run nylon pin bearings. You can just cut them out with Sawzall. It doesn't smell as bad as if you burn them out with a torch. But those are pretty much the tools I keep in the shop. I got some other stuff in my gang box in the truck. And then I got some other stuff at home. So if you guys are wanting to do equipment repair, you don't have to buy snap-on sockets. I didn't start out with snap-on stuff. I've been acquiring more and more of it though. The customers come in here and they want to see you using good tools. They want to see you want to be professional, right? So you need to have enough tools to do the job. But here's one thing I did find the other day from the Matco guy. Probably the coolest thing I found on a Matco truck yet. Is a transfer punch set. It's a 32-piece set, and I got it on sale for like $65. It's a TPS32 is a model number. It's super handy for fabricobbling stuff. But so that's pretty much the toolbox. My TIG rig is actually at the college. I did a couple of scratch start demos there the other day, so I just left it locked up in my office. But I built this rack for my argon bottle. It just slides into these slots right here, so I can take that off or whatever, but it's easy when it's with my box. It's where I usually TIG welding here on the table. But so that's my toolbox. Some good tools for you guys. Just something to keep in mind. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. That's a little rundown on my toolbox. What I do for my day job. I got one more thing I'll probably do. Well, I'll probably be in here before I put this part in the video, but hope everyone have a good holiday and have a good weekend. Stay safe out there. Check out this mullet before we go. The regalness. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Check us out on Instagram, Oregon Bead Hand, and this dude that's at the Dean96. Is that right? I got it right first try. So thanks for watching, guys.